God.
My hair. Can you hear that?
Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God. What is that?
My hair is squeaky, like a squeaky window. I don't like it.
We start the search for the under £5 wash day in my favourite black hair shop, Shabba Hair and Beauty in Walthamstow, London. I start by trying to pick up brands that I thought were going to be cheap but surprisingly weren't. All of the shampoos I was looking at were at least £5 or over, which is no good to me. I managed to find this bottle of 3-in-1, which could have been a potential if I didn't find anything else. I was really looking for a shampoo that was under £2, which was looking less and less likely, so I decided to scrap that and work backwards. I knew that Eco Styler gel was pretty cheap, so I went for one of the more moisturising ones, as I knew I wouldn't be able to get a leave-in product with this budget as well. Then I went to pay, but I found some little samples that were under £2 as well, so I went for this Cream of Nature mask. Ingredients looked pretty decent and Bossman gave me a little discount, so that was even better. Still didn't have a shampoo, but I had the bright idea of getting just a generic brand from a cheaper shop. Sticking with the keratin ingredient, I decided to get this one. Wasn't a huge fan of the ingredients list because of the harsh sulfates, but I didn't have much choice at this point. Let's get straight into this wash day. My hair wasn't too bad because I didn't refresh yesterday, which is probably a good thing because Lord knows what this cheap shampoo is going to do to my hair. Going in with the shampoo, I noticed it did lather up pretty quickly, which I expected. Worked this into my scalp and then through the ends of my hair, but focused mainly on the scalp. As I was rinsing this off, I noticed it was a little tangled, which is not uncommon for cheaper shampoos. I'm just used to shampoos with more slip. Then went in for a second round of shampooing because that's my standard practice to make sure my scalp is clean, but to be honest, I could have probably got away with just one shampoo.
My hair. Can you hear that? My hands are squeaky. My scalp, my hair is squeaky, like a squeaky window. I don't like it. It's so squeaky. I can't remember the last time I felt this feeling. It's so weird.
Hopefully I can revive my hair with the Cream of Nature Intensive Mask. I think I used this one a long time ago, but I can't remember how it is. It went on really nice though. I like the slip and the smell of it. It also made detangling very easy, even though my hair wasn't too tangled in the first place. This is what my hair looks like after applying the mask to the whole of my head. My curls seemed nice and soft and defined, which is always a good sign. Then I twisted this up and put my hair into a clip. I left the mask on for about 30 minutes before rinsing it off. Here I am just rinsing off over the bath. I'm at my mum's at the minute, so this is a little bit awkward to do under the tap, but it kind of worked. I used an old t-shirt for a towel. This is a really good hack if you don't have a microfiber towel to hand. And here's my hair after the mask was rinsed out. As you can see, it did a pretty good job. My hair felt soft and looked shiny and moisturised. Now time for the styling part. I begin by sectioning my hair into two, then working in smaller sections. I apply water and then go in with the Eco Styler gel to the section. Work this in with my fingers and then use the Camille Rose brush that I've really grown to love. We're going to speed this up because I then repeat the same process all around my head. I just switched the order of detangling as I felt the product went on better after I detangled first, then went in with my fingers after. Here is what my hair's looking like now it's all done. I do have some nice definition, but if I'm being honest, the hold wasn't holding as much as I would like. As you can see, there are some curls that are a bit frizzy and not clumped in with the rest, but we'll see once it's completely dry. This is the next day. The curls do look nice and shiny. It is very bouncy and light, not too much frizz, which is good, but I'm going to come back tomorrow and show you my day 3 results, so stay tuned. So this is day 3, the third day after I've done the under £5 wash and go, and if I'm being completely honest, I'm really happy with how my hair looks. It's really nice and light, it feels voluminous. My hair doesn't feel like it's got too many products on it. Obviously I only used 3 products this wash day, and generally I'm happy with the result. In terms of doing this every single time I did a wash day, I probably wouldn't do it, for the sheer fact that I felt like the shampoo was very dry on my hair, and the only thing that saved it was the intense moisture pack from Cream of Nature that I used. In addition to that, the Eco Styler gel is not one of my favourites to use. Although I did pick one of the more moisturising ones, it still did not kind of moisturise my hair to the extent that I'm used to, and I think that if I used this over a longer period of time, my curls definitely would be dry if I just wore it in a wash and go state. So at the moment it's kind of looking okay, but my hair does feel dry, and to what I'm used to, I probably would do some sort of like refresh today with a little bit of leave-in cream or something like that, but obviously I didn't apply any leave-in conditioner or any sort of styling cream on the wash day, so that's probably why my hair's feeling a little bit more on the dry side of things. Let me know in the comments how you think this one turned out, and what is the general price you spend on your wash day. This under £5 wash day worked for me, but I don't think I would be doing it in the long scheme of things. I will see you in the next one.